Mark.
Great. My name is Mark Akparibo. I am Programs Coordinator at the Community Self-Reliance Center. We are based in the Upper East region of Ghana. We have been supporting various groups, communities in the area of natural resource management, and we also do livelihood activities that have to bring communities to be able to harness the potentials of tree resources, including moringa, baobab, tamarind, and other tree resources in the various communities. Now, the Upper East region of Ghana is in the northeastern part of the country. It's one of the least developed parts of this country, and ranks amongst the poorest regions of the country. In terms of climate, we are in the savanna zone. The lands are very arid, and we just have one rainfall in a year, which lasts just about some 4 months, and sometimes very, very erratic. Now, the main economic activities of the region are farming activities and then rearing of livestock. The community we are in here today is called Dasabligo. Dasabligo is in the Nabdam district of the Upper East region. We have worked here with various groups, and natural resource management is one of the core things that we do. We also support livelihoods in terms of access to markets for various non-timber forest products. At the moment, we are also working on a village savings and loan scheme where we get communities to come together to do savings on a weekly basis, mainly women, with some men also involved. And what the scheme just seeks to do is to provide a financial coping mechanism for groups and then build a savings culture for the women in the communities. They meet once a week and make savings of between 1 Ghana cedi to 5 Ghana cedi. And after 5 weeks, they can begin to loan money out to each other and then pay back with just a small interest of 10%. After 1 year, they are able to do a share out, and that share out is supporting these women to be able to then invest their initial capital to various businesses that they want to get involved in. One of the key things that we wanted to address was to see how we can reduce the level of migration that takes place, especially during the lean season, the dry season, when farming activity has virtually come to a halt and there's really little economic activity that goes on in the communities. And we are very excited. After 1 year of a pilot scheme in Dasabligo, we are seeing more people interested. We have more groups now. We have about 7 women's groups that are in village savings and loans. We are also seeing that men are beginning to become more interested in the scheme, and then the level of migration has reduced. And this was testified during just a recent share out of the very first group that we had here, the Alamtaba Village Savings and Loan Scheme. Then also, sometime 2 years ago, we got to know of Moringa Connect and the good work that Moringa Connect was doing in the area of getting communities to be able to utilize the benefits that Moringa can have, and then in terms of supporting farmers to grow Moringa. We got to know Moringa Connect through Kwame, and we are very happy about the work that Moringa Connect has done in the area of bringing out the benefits of Moringa to rural communities in Ghana. Some of our women's groups have benefited from sale of Moringa seed already to Moringa Connect, and we are hoping that we are going to be able to build a bigger partnership with